Hello everyone, my name is Divyakumar, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Technology. In this video lecture series, we are going to discuss about types of modeling, in that surface modeling. There are about three types of modeling in CAD. One is the wireframe modeling, surface modeling, and then the solid modeling. Already we have discussed about the wireframe modeling in the previous lecture. Now we are going to discuss about the surface modeling in the subject 3D printing. What is surface modeling? Surface modeling is a technique which is used to represent the 3D object using surfaces or faces without defining its internal volume. In simple terms, it is like creating the skin of an object without filling it inside. We had already discussed about the wireframe modeling, which represents objects using lines, but in real life objects are not just lines, they have surfaces. So to represent the outer shape of an object, we need to draw the object more clearly. So we use an surface modeling. What is the major concept of surface modeling? Let's understand the concept clearly. A surface model consists of majorly 2 points, that is an edges and then the faces or surfaces. These surfaces are created by connecting the edges. It defines only the external boundary of the object, and also it does not define the thickness or mass of a particular object. Example, thickness of the balloon. The outer rubber layer is like a surface. The air inside is not defined. It is one of the major example of surface modeling. So surface modeling only represents the outer shell of the particular object. There are about three types of surfaces: planar surface, curved surface, ruled surface. In case of planar surface, it is a flat like structure, example the table top. In case of curved surface, it has a smooth curved shape for the particular type of object. Example of the curved surface is the car body. It is majorly used in the automobile industries. In case of ruled surface, it is formed by moving a straight line between the two curves. And also there is another type of surface is known as freeform surface. It is complex. It is majorly used for complex and irregular shapes. It is used in advanced designs like aircrafts, automobile industries, etc. Next, we are going to discuss about the working principle of an surface modeling. Surfaces are created using mathematical equations. These equations define the shapes and curvature of the particular object which we are going to design. Common methods are lofting, that means connecting the multiple cross section of the particular body. Next one is the sweeping, moving a shape along the path of an object. Next one is the blending, joining surfaces smoothly. The computer stores the surface equations, edge boundaries, etc. This allows smooth and accurate representation of the shapes. Next, advantages of surface modeling. Surface modeling offers many advantages when compared to that of the wireframe modeling. It involves in the better visualization of an object, provides a clear view of an object shape, and also it has a realistic representation, more realistic than the wireframe modeling, and it is suitable for complex shapes. It can represent curved and irregular geometries, and also it is used in styling and design, which is majorly used for automobile industries, aircraft industries, aerospace industries, etc. Next, smooth surfaces can be created. That means it provides an high quality surfaces finish in the design. This makes it very useful in product design and aesthetic applications. Limitations of surface modeling are no volume informations. It cannot calculate the mass, weight or volume of the object which we are going to design. Next, it is complex to create. It requires more skill when compared to that of the wireframe modeling, and also it is difficult to modify. Complex surfaces are harder to edit, and then data heavy. That means when compared to that of the wireframe modeling, it requires an heavier data, that means higher memory than the wireframe modeling. Major applications of surface modeling are: it is majorly used in automobile industries in case of to create the design of the car body, and also aerospace engineering aircraft, outer structure, and various product design applications like mobiles, bottles, etc., animations and gaming industries, industrial design, etc. Thank you.